Okay, let's talk for a second about how to correct a worn or poorly cut key. I don't have my stand today, so I'm just going to have to hold the phone the whole time I'm doing this, but this is a key for an old Nissan, and it definitely has some wear, especially out towards the tip, and doesn't look like each side of the key is cut with the same spacing, plus the shoulders are a little worn. So what we've done here is I have gone into our key code program and I've inputted what cuts I know are on this key. So when I'm looking here, it looks like the first two cuts are a 3 and a 4, and then a 2 3 4, and then a 2 3. So let's just type that in here. 3 4 2 3 4 2 3, and we'll search because I don't know what that tip cut is. Well, it's a pretty big code series, and there are two combinations that come up. One ends in a 3 and the other one ends in a 1. Well, that is definitely not a 3 there at the very tip, so I think we can rule that out. Now the other possibility is that this starts here at the beginning with a 1 3 4. So let's search that, because now that I think about it, that actually looks a little 1 3 4 2 3 4 2. Let's see what comes up. Yep. And that first one there, code 3457, looks like what we're wanting. So we got that, and now we actually have a key where I can hit to show what the profile of the cut key is supposed to look like. And what I do now is try to line up the silhouette of the key, which is it's really hard to do with my phone. It's easier to do with my eyes. And yeah, there it is. Okay, so this tells me that the code that I've inputted is probably correct. It's just a good quick way to test it before you actually cut the key, which I'm getting ready to do. F9 cut, send it over, and I've already got the blank loaded, so all I got to do is hit Command or Start. Flip that over. It's really hard to do with one hand. Sacrifices I make for you guys. Okay. Now let's see what that looks like over top of the original key. And yeah, I think that's us. So that's how we recreate a poorly cut key.